vintage automatic electric company payphone in working condition. It's ready to be used. Its hookup is current. This was used a few months ago in a private home. Cosmetically, it's in good shape. It shows some wear, perhaps some coins bouncing and hitting. So there's some wear on the paint here. Obviously, it can be repainted to like new perfection. The chrome is in great shape. It has the working gong. This phone is set up for free use. However, if you want to put coins in, you'll hear the nickel makes one ding. The dime makes two. And the quarter makes a gong sound. That's for the operator to determine what coins you're putting in. You can use it as a bank. The coins actually come down here, and you have to, there's no key, you just pry this piece out. So to get to the phone's internal workings, you can use a screwdriver, and this pops right up. You can check out the pictures for that. It's got the original card. Dial works well. I don't believe this is the original receiver due to the probably about 5 or 6 foot cord. I know the original cords were much shorter. The rest of the phone is also, I think, in good shape. Nice shine to the original black paint. In good condition overall. Ready for your use. So again, this has probably a 4 or 5 foot cord, and I'll go ahead and plug it in. And we'll set it up for use. So it's as easy as just plug it into your current phone plug. Make sure you get it facing the right direction there. Pop it right in. So now we have a dial tone. And we'll go ahead and call this phone so you can hear it ring. It also makes outgoing calls, of course. And here we go. You'll hear this thing ring. It's got a nice solid ringtone. And it has a good voice-to-voice connection. So everything about this phone is in working condition. It's up for auction. Check out the pictures for the internal hookups, and you'll see that it's just as clean as the exterior. Thanks very much for looking. Bye. Automatic electric company payphone. Likely late 50s or 1960s.